Hey guys, welcome back to another video. D-Cycle here, and today I'm going to replace the stock fairing on my 2018 Sport Glide with a brand new one from Memphis Shades. Okay, so today's video is brought to you in part by Memphis Shades. I want to thank them very much for sending me out this fairing for my Sport Glide. All right, now the option I went with was the Memphis Shades Bullet Fairing. This fits all 2018 and 2019 Sport Glide models. And in order to install this fairing onto the Sport Glide, you also have to install this hardware. And this is the Memphis Shades Trigger Lock Mounting Kit. You do have to buy it separately, like I said, and there's the part number right there. I'll put links and model numbers down in the description below. You see, what's good about this hardware is you don't have to take the hardware off to put another fairing on. So say you got another Memphis Shades fairing you want, go ahead, keep this on, and you can just easily take off and on any fairing you want from Memphis Shades as long as it fits your bike and this hardware. All right, so first let's see what we got here and we'll get it installed. All right, so here's everything that's in the box. You get instructions, 2 mounting plates, 4 clamps, 2 for each side, and what's cool is Memphis Shades gives you all the tools you need to do the job. All right, so before we put the fairing on, of course, we got to put the hardware on, so let's get started. All right, so first, before I get started with all that, I'm going to take the front fairing off. All right, so the instructions say you need to take off these little assemblies that are already on the brackets. Take a 7/16, loosen it up. I've already done that. And there's 2 of them for each bracket that go here and here. So here's your assembly. I am going to recommend you do a nice clean cloth. That way you don't scratch your fairing or any of your hardware. Just a recommendation, but it is going to help in the end. So we're going to take our grommet, stick it through the hole here so that it pops through the other side. Make sure it's nice and flat on both sides. Put the other one through. There we are, nice and flat. All right, so I'm going to take this piece, push it through here, and the same on the bottom. I'm going to take my mounting plate, loosely install the bolts. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. All right, here's what we look like with the brackets all put on. Next step is to install the clamps onto the forks. All right, so it says to loosely install the 4 fork clamps onto the forks approximately 2 inches apart from each other. So you want to make sure they're straight facing this way. This is because this is where the brackets on the fairing are going to mount to, right here. Hey guys, well thanks very much for watching today's video. Very easy install there. I love the way the bullet fairing looks on the Sport Glide. Looks awesome, I love it. If you guys like today's video, hit that subscribe button. Please hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the new bullet fairing. Until next time, this is D-Cycle signing out saying, take it sleazy.